Okay, today I want to talk about a really cool Chrome extension called Read and Write. In case you're not sure how to get Chrome extensions, the first thing you need to know is you have to use a Chrome browser, and you should also click on this and it will bring open the Chrome Web Store and type in the extension Read and Write. So there it is. Oops. So just add that. You can see it's already added. So I'm going to close this, and once it's installed you'll see this show up. So I'm going to go back to our main document here that I want to work on. So there's a lot of functionality built into this. I'm going to just do a little demo of a few of the things. So you click on here. It's really great for students who might struggle with words or parts of an assignment, and would like to get assistance. The teacher might not be available or whatever. So I'm going to actually use another sheet than this here. Give me a second. Right. So here you go. We'll pretend this is a student text, and we'll wait for it to load. And once it's loaded, the app will show up over here. All right. So the first thing is prediction. So if you click on this and click prediction, what it's going to do is predict the next word that could be used. Okay, so that's really helpful for students who are not sure, how to write and need assistance with their writing. So that's what that is. Dictionary. Well, I think that's pretty self-explanatory, but let's see what it looks like. So what does this word mean? Maybe they need a hand. So there you go, verb, accepting something because it is more powerful than you. So it's saying, what does this mean? Okay. Picture dictionary. So this is for those visual learners who might have a hard time. So now the picture dictionary isn't perfect, but it's a pretty decent tool, and let's try and see if it works with that term. Assignment. Okay. Would that help the student? Maybe not. Let's try another one. Let's try, these are all abstract terms. Let's see if this one works. So we'll go here. So basically helps that student with maybe release. See, that's pretty decent. Would help them understand that word. Okay. Play. So let's start over here. And what this will do is read it to the student. So that's really useful for anybody who maybe is struggling with reading, visually impaired. A really excellent tool. Fact Finder will help you find facts on something in your document. It will open a Google window. So let's just click on that really quickly, and blah blah blah. So it's a little quicker than them opening it up themselves. Makes things simpler. Speech input works a lot like on your Android device or on Siri on a iOS, where you click on this and it will basically, you can dictate what you're going to write. So let's show you a demo. The light is on, and thus it must be working, period. I think this is a pretty cool app, period. Stop. So here it is, and you see when I say period, it adds a period. It didn't add a capital letter here, but it pretty much is bang on everything I wrote. So if you want to dictate instead of writing, that's a really cool way to do it inside of your Chrome browser. Okay. And Translator. Well, you want to translate a term. Maybe if you're in a French immersion class. Let's just see what it does. Photograph. It's a little bit rudimentary. There must be an option here where you can tell it what language to add in. Otherwise, I can't see that being as useful, but just go in here and play around with that. And the highlighters, this is already built into a lot of the programs like Google Docs, but sometimes it's just easier. So we'll click highlight, and it will highlight that color of the text. And here you can erase with a highlight if you like. And we'll go and do that. All right. So that's Read and Write. It's a Chrome web extension, and it is very powerful, very useful for students, and highly recommend that you check it out and show your students. Thank you very much.